Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Navy Federal Mobile Deposit easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Navy Federal Credit Union mobile app installed on your device. Open the app and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the deposit section on the home screen. Select Mobile Deposit from the options provided. You will be prompted to choose the account where you want to deposit your check. Tap on the appropriate account to continue. Next, you'll need to enter the amount of the check you're depositing. Make sure to double-check the amount for accuracy before proceeding. Now, it's time to capture images of your check. Follow the on-screen instructions to position your check correctly. Ensure the check is flat and well-lit for the best image quality. Once in position, tap on front to take the first photo. After successfully capturing the front image, you'll be prompted to take a picture of the back of the check. Make sure the endorsement is visible and clear before taking the photo. After capturing both images, review them for clarity and alignment. If everything looks good, tap Submit to process your deposit. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your deposit has been received. Keep your check for a few days until you confirm the deposit has cleared. You're now authenticated and have successfully completed a mobile deposit with Navy Federal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.